What's up, Dope That fam? It's your boy Dope out here with another video, guys. And today, guys, we're gonna be collabing with Super Clean with another video. Shout out to Super Clean. We're gonna do a little giveaway for you guys. I'm gonna be posting this video on TikTok and on YouTube. All you gotta do to enter the giveaway is make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, and comment down below what you would use Super Clean for. But that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you guys check out the YouTube and the TikTok video. You guys have 2 chances to win. I'll be picking the winner in 1 week. So yeah, good luck to you guys. Right now we're just gonna be using the new spray aerosol can. We're gonna be using it to clean my front tubs in my engine bay. As you can tell, they look really crusty. So we're gonna be spraying it down with this aerosol, letting it sit for a minute, and then rinsing it down. I'm also gonna be using this little brush, detail brush, kind of agitate the Super Clean. And then since it is in the engine bay, I don't want to be spraying it with a hose and getting anything wet, so we're probably just going to be getting a bucket of water and just dumping it over to get it clean. So you guys go ahead and get this front tub cleaned. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and rinse this off real quick. That already looks 10 times cleaner, guys. We're gonna spray it one more time just to get it fully clean, and then, like I said, we're gonna agitate it with the brush. You guys don't need the brush, but it helps to get all that crud that's really stuck on there. And I probably will end up color matching these to the front suspension. That way they match. But yeah, guys, check that out. Front tub is all clean now compared to this side, all dusty and crusty. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Shout out to Super Clean. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.